Hello, this is Chad with Syncfusion, and a customer asked a question about our Angular chart control. So let's take a look. So here's a customer question, and they want to know how to put a linear gradient with two different colors across our columns. So let's show how we did that. Here's the actual sample, and red and blue are my favorite colors, so I made this with red and blue. But what we've done, this is our TypeScript page here. We're adding the chart, defining our axes, and then our series is here. And for Syncfusion, the series is what's actually going to be drawn on the screen. In this particular case, the series is a column, but it could be a lot of different things if you want. I'm going to leave this column because that is what works for this case. And the data is here. Data is kind of built into it. And what we're doing is we're going to fill this column with this gradient, whatever is in this gradient item in the HTML. So let's go look at the gradient. Here it is. And this is just a linear gradient item we've put in the HTML with a couple different colors, blue and red. Maybe you would want to have yellow here instead. And there you go. It's a nice, pretty, sunny chart. Okay, so that is how to insert a gradient into our column chart. It really is just this easy. But what if you want to do something a little more complex? What if you wanted each column to be some different content? Then I'm going to take you back to our help for that. And here we go. This is how you can do that. And what we've done here is we are creating a point color mapping. And we're defining that for each data source item. And those points are here in the HTML. So let's go back and look at it. So here we have chess, cross, circle. See them here. Chess, cross, circle, rectangle. And in our HTML, we have them here. Chess, cross, circle, and it's a little bit of, it's just a pattern with a color is all we've defined in this particular case. But the sample looks like this. So each column is some different particular content. So there we go. We answer the question, have a little bit more complication to it. Thank you very much for watching.